So today I have a very special guest here with me. This is Ashna from the Smart Journal. And today we're going to talk about our top 10 Holy Grail products. And if you don't know what that is that Ashna and I will be sharing our most used and the products like we would take with us if we were like stranded in an island or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so I'm going to start with skincare. My first Holy Grail product is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. I have a real dark circle problem and my under eyes get very dry. So I've been trying a lot of eye creams and none of them seem to work, but although this doesn't really help with dark circles, it is really hydrating and it's a very nice eye cream. So yeah, you should definitely give it a shot.
Yeah, is this the one that has avocado in it? Oh
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
heard so much about
It's
this.
green and it's really nice.
Yeah. So my next product is something that I've talked a lot like in my channel, and like people who've been watching me since a long time would be like, just shut up already about it. But I think I'd be lying if I don't show this like as my first product. It's the Effaclar Duo by La Roche-Posay, and it's like a cream to improve your imperfections. So it's the product that has actually helped me get rid of all my like pimples and breakouts and the marks that they leave, and it's something that I've been using, like something that I've actually been committed to from like a long time. This is like the 4th or 5th tube of it.
Okay, my next one is the Visibly Clear Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub by Neutrogena. It's basically just for blackheads and I've been using it every day for about 2 years now. I didn't use it for a month in the middle and I still didn't get any blackheads. So it does dry up your skin though, so you need to be a little careful with that. But otherwise it's a really good product. You don't need to use anything.
Do you have like dry skin or oily skin?
I have dry skin, so this dries my skin up a little more.
Okay.
But otherwise it's really good.
Is it like really gritty or something?
No, not really.
Yeah.
It's not like one of those scrubs that you feel like they're harming your skin or something. It's really good.
I have like so much stuff here, and I was like supposed to get only 10, and then there's so much stuff.
Oh yes, there's a lot of stuff over there.
So I think I'll go with this. It's by Body Shop and it's their Silky Chamomile Cleansing Oil, and I think it's my favorite when it comes to removing your makeup. I think makeup does not harm you unless like you sleep with it.
Yes, you need to take it off in the night and you need to take it off well and take good care of your skin.
Exactly. I mean, I don't. People say like I get breakouts out of foundation and stuff, but it's not the foundation, but the duration that you keep it on your skin, and maybe you're not like removing it properly. Anyways, so this is amazing when it comes to removing makeup, and if you're a lazy person, then this is like the thing for you. Like I just take 2 pumps of it and I just rub it in between my hands and I just rub it all over my face and it just dissolves everything.
Oh, is it like one of those cleansing balms?
Yeah, it's like that only. They have a
cleansing balms. Oh my god.
They have a balm also. Balm
in the same
version.
scent?
Yeah, the same scent.
And
but I'm not like a big fan of the balm. Like I like the silky oil more, and it's like really nice. It just cleanses everything off of your face. And then I use another product which I'll show next.
So my next thing is the Benefit Professional. I have never used a primer before apart from this one, but ever since I've got this, I can't use anything else, and I can't even imagine putting my makeup on without this.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really amazing. In fact, it blurs your entire face. Oh yes.
I'm slowly taking
Okay,
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
it's fine. You can talk about it now.
No, I don't want to continue.
I'm done.
I want to see your version of it. Like, what do you think?
I said what I had to say. You can say.
Yeah, I know what you mean, like when you can't go without this. It's just amazing. It's like you can wear this and not even wear foundation because it like covers up some of the
It blurs your pores and everything. Yeah.
And it's so smooth. It like it makes your skin like baby smooth.
Yes.
So when
Oh my god.
It does, right?
Yeah.
And then when you put the foundation on, it's like just gliding on it. It's like
Yes, it is.
yeah.
So my next thing is my Holy Grail foundation. Whenever I don't want to think when I'm doing my makeup, this is what I reach for. It's the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup. I have been using this for like maybe 1.5 years or something. It's really nice. When you use it, you don't even feel like you have makeup on, and the bottle is so strong. This one's fallen like 4 or 5 times. You can see it's like cracked from everywhere, but it's really good. I'm in the shade 5.0, but I feel like the next time I'll probably go for like a 4.5.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I think I'm going to talk about foundation next as well.
Okay.
This is like a very ruggedly loved bottle. It's like almost getting over. This is by Bourjois, and this is their Healthy Mix foundation. It's actually one of my favorites. Same thing with me, like when I don't have to think about.
You just reach out for this. Yeah.
And it just gives like a really nice, perfect finish. It just color corrects your skin a little bit, and it feels really light. And the best part is like it actually makes your face look like you've got like 8 hours of good sleep, and it like really glows and hydrates. So if like sometimes I get like my skin looks really tired, but then with this it looks really nice. And the best part is I think anyone can wear it. Like even though I have oily skin, I have very oily skin. So like someone with dry skin can wear it.
I have dry skin.
Yeah. So I think it'd be nice for everyone. Like a lot of people ask me like, I want to buy a foundation, and I always tell them to go for this one because like you would never regret buying this.
My next product is the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. This I cannot even tell you guys. I've been using it for 5 years now, I think, and I can't get enough of it. I've bought maybe about 10 or 15 of it so far. Yeah, because I use a lot of concealer. I have a lot of spots on my face. So yeah, I mean, this is amazing. It has very good coverage and it lasts very long. You do need to set it though, because it can get a little...
Yeah, because it's creamy.
Yeah, but it's really nice. And the shades available in India, I need to like use the dark and the light one and mix them, which is a big problem. But this is the shade 5 Sable Sand, which is like pretty close to my skin color.
And Magali was talking about this in one of her videos, and ever since she showed that, I've been meaning to try this, but I haven't. And I know when you're talking about shade problem, I think they don't have shades here.
They just have 2 options in the True Match Concealer. But yeah, you should definitely give it a shot. It's really good.
So the next thing is something like very, it's one of my favorites. It's Red de Miel. It's a lip balm by Nuxe. Nuxe is like a French pharmacy brand, and you get it here on all the Sephora stores. And it's actually, I heard it from Essie Button, like she was raving about it. So when I went to Sephora for the first time, I was like, I have to pick this up, and she wasn't lying at all.
Good.
It's amazing.
It looks a little matte, is it?
Yeah, that's the best part. It's a matte lip balm.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and it's like made out of like honey and sugar and
So
stuff.
can you like use it under your matte lipsticks and stuff?
Yeah, exactly. So what I do if I wear like Lady Danger or something, so before I do my makeup, I wear this on, and then like once my makeup is done, it's like absorbed a little bit, and then I wear my matte lipsticks, and
That's nice.
it's really nice, and I like sleeping with this. So I put this before I go to sleep, and then when I wake up, it's still on. Like you can still
feel it. Oh my god, that's nice.
So that's rare, and it's really nice.
Okay.
It's a matte lipstick. Yes.
Okay, so if any of you guys know about my blog or anything, you may know that I'm a huge nude lipstick fan. I'm not that much into reds and stuff. So my favorite lipsticks that I think like of all time is the Matte Velvet Teddy. There was a dupe of this one, like an exact dupe almost, in Revlon, which was called, it was a matte lipstick called Mauve It Over, I think, and I think they discontinued it. I had it and I ran out, so I'm pretty much...
And you don't get
only
this very
using
often,
this.
because I think Kylie
It's the Kylie Jenner lipstick,
yeah. So I think this and Snob.
Yeah. This is always like sold out, but I got it at the airport and it's really good. It's just I guess it's like a movie nude, and it's a little, maybe your lips but better, I guess. Yeah, but it's really nice.
My favorite lipstick would be the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in number 8. I think this is the lipstick that I reach out to like almost every single day when I don't have to like give 2 thoughts about what lipstick I want to wear. And every time I wear this shade, I always get asked like, what are you wearing on your lips? Yeah, so maybe that's why I like it even more. But yeah, it's one of my favorite shades. If you want to see how this one looks, I'll link the video down below where I showed all the shades of the Miss Claire lipsticks, so you guys can go see that. But it's a very pretty everyday pink.
I think I have this color. I have a 06. I think you get a 06 as well.
Yeah, I have 05, and that's like a very light pink, and I love that shade as well.
No, I don't remember.
I think
which
I
one
lost
have.
that. Yeah. I love this!
Okay, so the next thing is the L'Oreal Super Liner in Black Lacquer. I have been using this. I think it's not a very old product. No?
It's not. It started when Sonam went to the Cannes thing, and then
a year ago, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's really nice if you enjoy your winged liner, which is kind of a trouble every
Yeah, it
day,
is,
but
it is.
I do like my winged liner. So I used to use gel liners before, but they just get so annoying. Sometimes you
Yeah.
need a brush and you need to.
And they
all
dry
that.
up, right?
Yeah, and it just doesn't last very long. I feel like this lasts really
It
long.
does.
It'll just not leave your eyes.
It doesn't. So, and you know what? Another thing about this that I like a lot is that it leaves. Is that the lacquer one?
Mhm.
Yeah. So, the lacquer one leaves like a nice sheen.
Yes, it
Yeah,
does.
so
I'm wearing it today.
yeah,
I think.
you
Yeah.
are?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it leaves that nice sheen. So even though I like matte liners, but this one leaves like a really nice sheen, which I love.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Okay. Even though like I'm a big fan of liquid liner, there are certain times when like gel liner is like your best friend when you have to like make different shapes and when
Oh,
you want
yes.
your eyeliner to listen to you. Because with liquid liner there's like a learning curve. Everyone
Yes,
like
yes.
cannot be very comfortable, and I have been like an avid user of liquid liner. I've been using that only, but recently I just got myself the Color Essence black gel liner, and it is amazing. So the thing is like L'Oreal and Maybelline also do gel liners, right? And L'Oreal one is like really expensive but very nice, and the Maybelline one is pretty cheap but it dries up very soon. That's also really nice, and this one is like a perfect milligram. It's so soft. And
Which one is it?
This is by Color Essence.
Okay.
It's really nice. Like it's difficult to find it here. Like you only get it at Beauty Palace and stuff. So but it's like really nice. I'm wearing it today and I've been wearing it a lot lately. So I think that's that.
Okay, now this is not a very old product, but it still have to make it to my holy grails. I got it 2 months ago. It's Benefits Roller Lash. Before this, I was addicted to the Bare Real mascara, but ever since I got this, it's like changed my life. It just curls your lashes without using an eyelash curler, and it just opens your eyes up so much. It's amazing. Seriously, you should. Oh, you tried it?
I tried it today. Like I don't know, for some reason I forgot to apply mascara today when I came over to her place, and she's like, you should try this. And when I just used it for the first time, and I was like shocked.
You will notice such a change from your
I
regular
know,
mascaras.
I know, it is amazing. So the next thing is something like, it's like an essential for my hair. It's like I can't go out or live a day without dry shampoo. Like once you get dry shampoo, you cannot go back. It's
Yes,
like,
that's
it's amazing. Whoever invented it is a genius, and I love him, her, whoever you are. And this is by Dove. This is I don't think you get this in India. I think you get it outside. But I think there are like a lot of good ones in India as well, like the V Blunt one.
Is it good?
Yeah, the V Blunt one is good, but I've heard like the L'Oreal one isn't that nice. So anyways, this one is like my holy grail, and I just love like taking this, especially on days like this. Like today is my really bad hair day, so I just like pull out sections and just spray it on my hair, and it just gives it like a really nice volume and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells nice, right? So yeah, this is another one of my favorites.
My next thing is white eyeliner, just not like any brand, just white eyeliner in general, or even nude eyeliner. I normally used to use like black kajal or something, and then I started using white or nude eyeliner, and it just made such a huge difference. It
Yeah.
opens your eyes up like, oh my god, even
Yeah.
if you haven't slept, it just makes you look so awake.
Yeah, it
Especially when I'm shooting. I mean, I haven't used any today, but when I'm shooting for my blog or something, I make sure that I have a light colored eyeliner, and it really makes a huge difference. This is the Lakme Iconic.
But don't you think this one is a little chalky?
Is it?
Yeah, it's fine.
I've been using it for a while now, but I'm more into like my nude one, which is the
I
red
like
one.
the nude one. I was about to say you should try the Rimmel one.
It's really good. Yeah, but I think I had lost mine or something, so I decided to use this in the video. But yeah, nude or white eyeliner just in general.
Yeah. And actually, if you cried the night before, guys, you have to be real, right? So if you cried like the night before and you
Wake
wanna
up with
hide
puffy eyes or
yeah,
something.
yeah, if you wanna hide it, I think nude or white
Eyeliner
is
makes
the
a huge
best.
difference.
Yeah. Remember I was telling like I wanted to show something with the chamomile silky cleansing
Oh,
oil.
yes,
Yeah?
yes.
So I use the Bioderma after I clean my face with the oil, and it's something that I cannot live without.
I tried it.
is
It's so
amazing.
good.
It's
Yeah.
amazing. And I just like wet cotton pads with it and just put it on my eyes and just apply it
Yeah,
up.
it's very gentle on your skin and it's amazing.
It is. And then I just remove whatever oil is left with
Oh
it.
yes,
Yeah.
because you use an oil.
Yeah, it's amazing.
My last holy grail product is the Maybelline Express Finish Top Coat. So if you are one of those lazy girls that doesn't like to wait for nails to dry, This is for you, trust me. I've tried the Revlon one and that seemed to be quite awful. It just started cracking my nail polish. I don't know, like there were cracks in my nail polish. I have no idea, like a day later. So this is really nice and you should definitely give it a shot.
I am like, I just tried it today. I forgot to paint my nails. So I was like, oh
You
no,
forgot mascara, you forgot to paint your nails.
that's why waking up early on a Sunday.
Oh
does
yes,
to you.
oh my god, you made me wake up early today.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
Anyway, so I didn't get time to paint my nails, so I came over here and we had to like shoot immediately. And then she gave me this, and it literally dried up in seconds.
Yes, it doesn't take long at all. Trust me, if you have no time to paint your nails, you need this in your life.
I need this, and I'm buying this. And coincidentally, my next product is also from the Maybelline's Express Finish. It's the Express Finish 40 seconds, and I'm not even kidding when I'm saying that it dries literally in seconds. It
amazing.
says 40 seconds, but I think it's less than 40 seconds.
Really?
Yeah, it's just like this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like the same.
Oh yeah. But I haven't seen this shade. I went the other day to get.
You don't get this everywhere. It's like a coveted shade.
Oh my god. So where did you get it?
Because I like searched for it like a lot of places.
Oh my
and
god.
And when I found it, I bought 3. Like there were only 3 there, and I bought all 3.
I have a purple in this, but I've never used it. I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, it's really nice, and this is in the shade Turquoise Lagoon, and I have this thing with blue, mint, and turquoise.
I can see your nails right now as well.
So I have like a thing for that color gradient. So this is my favorite. The only problem with this is like it stains your nails because it's so pigmented.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
really?
it does. So you need to use like a good
Base
base
coat,
coat.
yeah.
And yeah, this is like an amazing color, and it's one of my favorites. I think that's about it, right?
We're done.
So those were all our favorite products, like our holy grails, and I hope you guys found some really nice suggestions. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And most importantly, Ashna and I filmed another video over at her channel, so you can click on that face of hers, and then it'll take you directly onto that video. Or we are also going to link it down below or into the cards. Like right here, you can click on the eye, and it'll give you the link to that other video that we filmed. And that video is about we answering your questions, like any specific question. Like we posted a picture up on Instagram.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please subscribe to Ashna because she is amazing and you need to check out her vlog. It is amazing.
Thank you.
So I think that's about it. And do you want to say something?
Nothing. We'll see you in my video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.